In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a project in Google AI Studio and build an AI app. Start by signing into your Google AI Studio account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click Build. This will open the project creation area where you can start describing the app you want to generate. Find the project chat box and type a clear description of your app or project. Be specific about what you want to create. Include the main purpose of the app, along with the features and functionality you want it to have. After entering your request, click Build and wait while Google AI Studio generates the project for you. When the build is complete, review the project preview carefully. Scroll through the generated app to see the pages, layout, and built-in features. This gives you a quick way to inspect the structure of the project before making any changes. Next, click Code to open the project files. Here, you can browse the generated code and review the file structure. If you want a local copy of the project, click Download App to download the files to your computer. If you prefer to send the project to GitHub, click Save to GitHub. If prompted, sign into your GitHub account, then create a new repository, or choose an existing one for the export. After that, return to the project preview. If you want to deploy the app, click the deployment icon. You will then select a Google Cloud project and follow the setup prompts to complete deployment. Once that is done, go back to the project editor. To refine the app, use the chat box in the lower left corner of the editor. Enter a customization request that explains the changes you want to make. Submit the request and wait while Google AI Studio updates the project. Once the changes are applied, review the updated preview and check that everything looks correct. You can also explore the available suggestions for extra features. If you see a suggested feature you want to add, select it and wait for it to be included in the project. Then test the updated app and review the new changes. At the end, confirm that your AI app project has been created successfully and that the features, code, and deployment settings match what you need. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.